Well, I've just come to have a look at the maize field because the contractor's due in the next day or so to harvest this. So I thought I'd have a look at it before he's been in. You can probably see from this distance that it's changed quite a bit. It's not very green now. It's going a lot browner, and hopefully now the cobs should be all ripe, so ready for harvesting. Now I'm going to walk in and we'll have a closer look at the plants. Here we are then, we're in the sort of maze. I'm stood in a row where there's actually a row missing, which I don't know why it wasn't drilled or something, but it makes it easy to walk down. And you can see here how brown the plants have got now. The leaves are dying off. Very crispy at the top. That's actually not that important because it's not really the leaves that are the main food source. They just add a bit of bulk to the feed. What we're after is the maize seed, or the maize cob. And here's one. Let's open this one out. I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm holding the camcorder, so not that easy. Right, I'm going to pick that one off actually. Now look at that. That's a beautiful specimen. That's a golden colour. Now I'm just going to prick that with my thumb. Can you see here? It's actually quite flowery now. If I came here about a month ago, that was sort of fairly sort of liquidy in there. That's definitely ripe now. So this is definitely ready to harvest. As it goes through the forager, that will get broken up. The cob, all those corns will be squashed down and broken up, making it good to feed. So we're looking at a field that's ready to harvest. And if we look up here, you can see right across. I've just broken the cob in half. You can have a good look in the middle. Quite interesting to see the middle of that. But yeah, that's ready to harvest now. Interestingly, on the floor, cattle aren't the only ones that like maize. If you look here, you can see a bit of a trail of destruction. The maize plants have been flattened on the floor, and you can see something's walked through there. And that's not unusual because the actual badgers like eating maize. And if you look at this cob down here, you can see it's been eaten. Something's chomped on that. You can just see it's taken out all the kernels. So there's probably a badger coming through there, and in some parts a badger will actually flatten large areas to eat the maize. Anyway, back to work now. Better get the clamp ready for the team to arrive.